Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. AI generation has reached a whole new level, and the market already has popular tools like Kling AI, Runway, and Pika. But recently I discovered Domo AI, and honestly this platform completely surprised me. Imagine creating realistic talking characters, cinematic AI videos, and full movie-style content from just a single image, without advanced editing skills. And the best part? This isn't just another AI tool, it's an all-in-one hub where you can access multiple AI features in one place. So today we're testing whether Domo AI can actually compete with, or even beat, Kling AI. Let's get started. First, I open my browser, search for Domo AI, and you can directly visit their website using the link in the description. After signing up, you'll see a dashboard packed with powerful features like AI, video, AI, image, AI, editing. If you scroll down, you'll also see amazing videos created by users, and honestly, the quality looks incredibly impressive. Now let's test the first feature. Text to image. Click on AI image, and you'll enter this interface. Here you'll see two options, text to image and image editing. I'm selecting text to image. Now I'll enter a powerful cinematic prompt. For style, I recommend using Fusion S2 for realistic results. Set the aspect ratio 16:9. Turn watermark off and click generate. Within a few seconds, you'll get multiple outputs. And honestly, all of them look really good. Let's check the result. Look at this. This feels like an actual cinematic movie frame. The damaged armor, the orange and blue lighting, the explosions in the background. Everything looks exactly according to the prompt. And that shows how powerful this tool really is. Now let's move to image to video. I'll use the same image we just created. Upload it here. Choose the recommended model because it's faster and gives better results. Now set the duration to 10 seconds. Keep the aspect ratio at 16:9. Turn watermark off and generate. Now the AI is processing the video. Let's see the final result. And wow, this looks impressive. The AI followed the prompt really well. It kept the original image concept, but improved the overall visual quality. The character looks better, the environment feels more detailed, and the lighting and textures look more refined. And if you don't like the result, you can always regenerate it, or simply download it directly. Now let's test video to video. Upload your generated video. Choose a style. There are many great options here, but I'm selecting 3D cartoon style. Enter your prompt, set duration to 5 seconds, and generate. And honestly, this feature is next level. It completely transforms your original video into a full animated version. And if you want to create a video completely from scratch, Domo AI's text-to-video workflow is actually very simple. First, enter your prompt and clearly describe the type of video you want to generate. After that, choose your preferred style, adjust the settings, and click Generate. Within a few moments, Domo AI is a complete video output based on your prompt. For example, I'm entering a cinematic prompt here. Once the prompt is added, you'll notice multiple models are available. Since I want a realistic-looking output, I'm selecting the realistic model. Next, you can choose the video duration depending on how long you want your final output to be. After that, select your preferred aspect ratio based on the platform you're creating for whether it's YouTube, Reels, or any other social media platform. And if you don't want a watermark, you can simply turn it off here. Now, click Generate. And Domo AI converts your prompt into a complete video sequence. Let's check the output. Honestly, the visuals look very cinematic and highly detailed. If you're creating action scenes, movie-style shots, or any kind of creative cinematic content, this feature can be extremely useful. Now let's move to the talking avatar feature. Since I don't have any pre-recorded audio, I'm using Domo AI's built-in text-to-speech feature. Here, you'll see two options, single voice and multi-voice. I'm selecting single voice. Then simply choose your preferred voice and paste your script into the text box below. Once you click Generate, the AI creates a complete voiceover automatically. After generating the audio, I'm heading back to the Talking Avatar section. First, upload your avatar image, then drag and drop the audio file we just created. In the prompt box, I'm adding smiling face to make the avatar look more natural and expressive. After that, select the video duration. I'm choosing 10 seconds. Then set the aspect ratio to 16:9. And again, if you don't want a watermark, you can turn it off here as well. Now click Generate, and within a few moments, a static image transforms into a fully talking avatar. Let's check the final output.
This is Domo AI's Talking Avatar feature. Upload an image, add your voice or script, and instantly create a realistic talking character with AI.
And honestly, the lip sync and facial expressions look surprisingly natural. Now let's test another powerful feature, AI editing. I'm selecting my generated image, then I choose 4K upscale and click Generate. And look at this. The image is now much sharper. Textures look cleaner. Lighting looks better. Edges are more refined. And overall, it feels almost cinematic quality. And one more important thing. Inside Talking Avatar, you can also use video input, not just images. Now let's compare Domo AI and Kling AI. Domo AI, a Pro plan, costs $69.99, while Kling AI costs $64.99. But here's the biggest difference. Domo AI offers unlimited generation mode, and it's specially optimized for anime creators. If your main goal is realistic cinematic AI videos, then Kling AI is still a strong option. But if you want an all-in-one platform for lip sync, anime generation, video transformation, and character animation, then Domo AI is definitely worth trying. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.